In the new V-Class, remove the closing assist motor of the electric tailgate. To begin, open the hinged window and carefully undo the panels on both sides of the window frame. Next, remove the lower part of the trim. Then pull the ceiling frame off carefully. Remove the 4 screws securing the cover. Now close the hinged window and open the tailgate. Carefully lever off the trim here with a plastic wedge. Be careful not to damage the trim. Do this on both sides. In the window recess, remove all the fixing brackets of the tailgate cover. Once all brackets have been removed, take the cover off. This way you get access to the electrical connectors. Disconnect them and then remove the cover. Below that is a foil. Undo it gently until you get access to the closing assist motor. Take the motor from the tailgate and remove the insulation. First, disconnect the Bowden cable and then the electrical connector. The removal is complete. After reinstallation, carry out a functional test. Everything okay? Then your work is completed.